We see them everywhere. From your phone number to your Facebook password. But numbers are more than what you think them they are. We are underestimating numbers. Yes, we are. There are currently 6 types of numbers. Natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers, irrational numbers and decimals. In this video we will cover the first 5 types briefly. Natural numbers include all the numbers from 1 to infinity. On a number line, natural number can be represented like this. But natural number don't include the number 0. But whole numbers do. Whole number are all natural number including 0. On number line, whole number can be represented like this. Integers include all the whole numbers and the number less than 0. It includes numbers present at the left side of the number line, which are all the negative numbers. That's a bit complicated. But the complexity increases with real numbers. Real numbers include rational and irrational numbers. Rational numbers, or the ones that can be expressed in the form of a upon b, where b is not 0. 6 is a rational number as it can be expressed in the form of 6 upon 1 or 12 upon 2. Same way all integers are rational numbers. All fractions are also rational numbers. Between two rational numbers there are unlimited rational numbers. For example, there are unlimited rational numbers between 0 and 1, and unlimited of them between 0 and 1 by 2. For example, 1 upon 100, 2 upon 100, or 1 upon 1000, or 1 upon 987,654. Integers are rational numbers, fractions too are rational numbers. So what kind of numbers are not rational numbers? Irrational numbers. But wait, if fractions are rational numbers, integers are rational numbers, then which kind of numbers are irrational numbers? The answer is the numbers that can't be expressed in the form of upon b. All the numbers that have unlimited decimal digits, and which does not follow a particular pattern, are irrational numbers. Square root of any imperfect square is a rational number. For example, square root of 2, square root of 3, square root of 5, square root of 7, square root of 9,619 by 2 is an irrational number, because its decimal digits does not follow any pattern and goes on forever. But pi is 22 over 7, and 22 over 7 is in the form of upon b, but no, pi is not equal to 22 over 7, it's just an approximation. To understand this, let's calculate 22 over 7, which is equal to 3. 142857, 142857, 142857, which is a pattern, and the numbers that follow a pattern, despite the digits are infinite, irrational number. Okay, back to pi. The value of pi is 3.141592653, which is not 22 over 7. Hence pi is irrational while 22 over 7 is rational. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubt, then comment in the comment section below and make sure to subscribe the channel.